Welcome once again to the Acoustic Kitchen here in Dublin. Due to economic, financial and political conditions prevailing in this country at the moment, we'll have to move to a new kitchen next week, or a different kitchen. But I have here beside me Maurice Maher, who actually grew up in this kitchen. And I would say that you learned maybe a song in here, Maurice.
I did indeed, yeah.
There were great singing sessions in this very kitchen in the 1950s and the 1960s. And Maurice's mother was called Maher, and she was a beautiful singer. As well as old Irish songs, she was a great interpreter of like Ella Fitzgerald and Billie Holiday and stuff like that. So we're going to have a few songs. Maurice is partial to songs of that ilk, so he's going to give us a few of his favourite songs tonight.
Thank you.
Okay, Maurice.
That's grand.
Your cheating heart will make you weep. You'll cry and cry and try to sleep, but sleep won't come the whole night through, 'cause your cheating heart is gonna tell on you. When tears come down like pouring rain, you toss around and call my name. You walk the floor the way I do, 'cause your cheating heart is gonna tell on you. Pine one day and crave the love it that you threw away, but time will pass, there you're gonna be blue, and your cheating heart is gonna tell on you. When tears come down like pouring toss around and call my name, you walk the floor the way I do, 'cause your cheating heart is gonna tell on you.
This next number is called Alberta. I first heard it being done by a man called Eric Clapton. You're probably all familiar with him, and it was on his acoustic LP. Thank you.
Alberta, Alberta, where'd you stay last night? Alberta, Alberta, where'd you stay last night? This morning, clothes don't fit you right. Alberta, Alberta, girl, you're on my mind. Alberta, Alberta, girl, you're on my mind. Ain't had no loving in such a great long time.
I heard a song first in about 1968 when I was working in Birmingham, sung by a man called Josh White. He was a great American blues singer. So I hope you like it now. It's called St. James Infirmary Blues.
Lovely.
I went down to old Joe's barroom, way down beside the square. They were serving them drinks as usual, and the usual crowd was there. On my left stood Big Joe Kennedy. Well, his eyes, they were bloodshot red. Well, he turned to the crowd all around him. These were the very, very words that he said. I went down to St. James's Infirmary, all to see my baby there. She was a-laying on a long white table. It's so cool and so calm and so fair. I went up to see my doctor. Oh, she's very low, he said. I went back to see my little baby. She was a lying dead. Hey, let her go, let her go, let her go, let her go. God bless her. Hey, wherever she may be, you may search this whole world over. You ain't never gonna find a man like me. Let her go. Let her go, oh God bless her. Wherever she may be, you may search this whole world over. You ain't never gonna find a man like me.
Maurice is going to give us an Eric Clapton song now off the acoustic album, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Off the acoustic album. So here it is, Running on Faith.
Lately I've been talking in my sleep. I can't imagine what I had to say, except my world will be right when love comes back away. Oh, lately I've been talking in my sleep. Can't imagine what I had to say, except my world would be right when love comes back away. I've always been one to take each and every day. Oh, it seems like by now I'd find a love who'd care care just for me. Then we'd go running on faith. All of our dreams would come true, and our world would be right. When love comes over you, I've always been one to take each and every day. Oh, it seems like by now I'd find a love who'd care just for me. Then we'd go on free. This is a song, one of my mother's favourites. It's called All of Me. All of me, why not take all of me? Can't you see I'm no good without you? Take my arms, I want to lose them. Take my lips, I'll never use them. Oh, your goodbyes left me with eyes that cry. Oh, how can I go on, dear, without you? Because you took the part and you walked off with my heart. So why not take all of me? Left me with eyes